Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer files from iOS to the macOS if you don't have um, don't have airdrop or any other um, software, or airdrop not reliable. And this is a method I pretty much like because I don't have Wi-Fi built in, so I have like used to external USB dongle. But for this purpose, I've installed on macOS the app which is FE File Explorer, and if you come to the files, it should be looking like this. My files for the library, favorites, and share the nearby. In my files, I've just go ahead and open the vise file manager, create here the folder name. Well, in my case it would be like temp or something. Boom, boom, temp, so I can see later temp, and maybe copy whatever file name, any files here. I just should maybe drop new blank file, or as example txt file, or I just need to something drop here, and this is the txt file. Or you can store here any files you want. It basically could be, like images, something. And then, by the way, I love this manager because in this manager you can drop and drop files from here. As example, I just drag and drop photos, fix it right over here, and it fills here. Okay, next go ahead and do the macOS. You have to be in the same Wi-Fi network, and in your you will see the iOS phone, which is, in my case, it's an iPhone 7 Plus. In your case, it could be something else. And go ahead to the files, open, you will see the FE File Explorer. It could be a while to fetch all the files, and you will see temp in my case. And I just drag and drop here file in my desktop, and it will copy file by one. So you will see the exact folders and file structure from your phone here. And yes, and this is a text the txt file which is we created just a second ago, and this is a text we have been reading in in your phone, in the phone. And if you, for example, need to drop something from your computer to your file structure, so just drop the file. Yeah, it should be on your phone. So this is one way to transfer files wirelessly. This is not cable or something. Oops, it's yeah, it right over here, but it's not in the same folder structure. So we just move it in the temp folder which we created here. I think I just drop it. Sometimes it's just a bit laggy, but eventually it will work. So go ahead and in the phone, so you will see. So in the phone you will see this file, and I just drop it here. Okay, and you collapse and uncollapse to update. You see there is image disappear, and then we go here in temp folder. Well, it will be in a temp folder. Okay.